Finally, the Johannesburg Stock Exchange showed strength this morning, while global markets were mixed as investors awaited the U.S. Federal Reserve interest rate decisions, the May's consumer inflation data. May's U.S. consumer inflation report revealed a decrease to 3.3% year-on-year from the previous month's 3.4%. Market expectations lean towards the Federal Open Market Committee maintaining its benchmark borrowing rate between 5.25% and 5.5%. All attention is on the Fed's dot plot, indicating the expectation path for monetary policy. Investment analyst Kyle Kutsier at Cartesian Capital provides insights on these market developments.
Locally, we saw the rand touching the 19 rand to the dollar mark last week, as there was much uncertainty regarding the type of government that would be formed. Since President Ramaphosa's announcement last week Thursday that he is inviting a government of national unity, we have seen the rand and government bonds firm up. This is likely because the president made it clear that only parties that reaffirm their commitment towards respecting and abiding by the constitution would be invited to form a government. Since then, both the EFF and MK have made it clear that they are not interested in participating in a government of national unity with the conditions that were laid out. That likely leaves the IFP and the DA as coalition partners for the ANC. The market is pricing this in, as we are seeing strength in the rand and in government bonds. Here at Cartesian Capital, we are seeing a lot of value in government bonds that currently have really juicy yields of close to 12% if held to maturity. Over in the US, May's inflation report showed that CPI slowed to 3.3% year-on-year, down from 3.4% last month. Fed officials are expected to hold their benchmark interest rate steady for the 7th consecutive meeting. Fed Chair Jerome Powell will address these issues during a press conference following the release of the rate decision and updated projections later today. Here at Cartesian Capital, we will be paying specific attention to the dot plot, which indicates the expected rate path of the Fed.